Foothills living has never been so convenient. Walking distance to local shops and restaurants and hiking just out your front door, Easy Mountain Living is waiting for you. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty. Let me take you on a tour of this beautiful condo in North Evergreen. With the entrance on the ground floor providing easy access, 1194 Red Lodge Drive is positioned as an end unit on the northwest corner of the building. Offering 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with an additional bonus room, this 1,600 square foot condo offers plenty of work and play space. The open floor plan with soaring 9-foot ceilings creates a bright and open spacious place to gather and entertain. And the generous living area offers easy living with a gas fireplace as the anchor, creating a mountain modern feel in this charming space. Just off the living area is a bright dining room where you will find the private patio that is also an entrance from the ground floor. Open to the dining and living area, the modern kitchen embraces today's on-trend designs. With granite countertops, cherry wood cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, this chef's kitchen is the centerpiece of this meticulously maintained home. The spacious owner's suite is tucked away with a 5-piece master bath and a walk-in closet catering to privacy and relaxation. The second bedroom and bonus room are on the opposite side of the home, creating a comfortable space for guests or family. With Xfinity Wi-Fi, the bonus room is ideal for your work-from-home needs. Every room has oversized windows that flood this home with natural light. Your wish list is complete with an attached garage and 2 huge storage closets. Within minutes to I-70, there's easy access to downtown Denver or a quick day trip to our world-class skiing. How can you pass this place up? For more information or to schedule an appointment, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.